this is the intro for Avenged Sevenfold's Desecrate Through Reverence. Probably one of my favorite songs by them. So the intro, it uses these minor thirds. So the root notes. Sound familiar? Oh yeah, okay. So it starts off. After we play that first part, it does this speed picking. So that looks like this connected. And then that's where we do the all right, so that part again. And then another speed picking part. It's a little bit different on the tail. And then it starts over. So we'll play that first section. Slow. So then that just repeats. So we'll play that at speed. Little giant, fat, long pick slide. All right, peace.